Happy Foodie Friday. Take a trip to France with us this morning.
I love it. It's a great new place in Naples. It's called Chez, Parisian Bistro. And there's Rachel right now. Hey, Rachel, looks like you're ready to toast something.
Yeah, that was really good though, Greg. I'm like very proud of you. Very good pronunciation of Chez, Parisian Bistro. And we're here this morning for More Explorers talking about desserts because you guys know how we love to talk about the sweet stuff early in the morning. And what are we making? Creme brulee.
We do. We're gonna make pistachio creme brulee.
Oh my gosh.
On Lorenza.
Lorenza?
Oh yes.
Guy and Lorenza have been the stars of the show this morning, but yeah, how does creme brulee? I've never actually seen this happen in real life.
Okay, we're gonna put some sugar here just to melt
okay.
it with the fire right here.
And that makes that beautiful crust.
Yes, they
on
make
top.
the crust.
Okay.
There you go. Look,
Look
just
how
like
pretty
that.
that flame is. Huh?
There you go.
And so this is a dessert that's on the menu.
Yes.
Dessert is on the menu. It's a pistachio creme brulee. So we just ground some pistachio, make some pasta, and mix with the egg yolks and the cream. Very
Oh my
simple.
gosh. Yum.
And after we do just the crust with some pistachio on the top just to decorate.
So tell me about this recipe. Did you come up with this, or?
No, the creme brulee, I cannot say I come with that
okay,
because it's a very classic
100%.
recipe. It's just egg yolk basically on heavy cream.
Okay, don't give away all of your secrets, though.
No.
Lorenza, that's beautiful. What else do we have here?
We have the profiterole, the pastry filling with the ice cream, chocolate sauce on the top.
It
that
looks
anybody's
like
can
heaven.
take, guys. And an apple tart.
Okay.
We have the tarte au pomme in French, tarte au pomme, and the
Beautiful.
chocolate mousse.
And you said the chocolate mousse is one of the best sellers.
Yes, we sell a lot. We have the Belgium chocolate 65%, so we do everything is homemade anyway here.
Okay.
So we do all the dessert. We have more than that. We do the pear tart, we do the peach melba, a lot of desserts. So.
Oh my gosh, and wait, I've heard a little bit about what we're going to be making later this morning, like the steak and kind of like the dinner menu items that you guys can get, so make sure you stick around for More Explorers at 9 and 10.
Absolutely. We start by the dessert, but we're going to have some steak
we
au
have to
poivre.
start
after.
our morning with dessert to give us that like sugar boost of
Exactement.
energy. Okay, wait, I wanted to see if we can hear this. Like,
The other one.
The other one, you look at.
do you hear this? That's how you know. That's how you know it's the
Yes.
perfect creme brulee.
You
Coming out to Chez Parisian Bistro. It's located in Naples. They're open Monday
6
through
days, yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah,
6
closed
days
on
a week.
Sunday, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Come on out and treat yourself this weekend. Look at this, you guys.
That looks amazing.
That's good stuff.
Oh my gosh.
That's
what a
really
great
good stuff.
place. You're going to want to try it out if you're certainly in the mood for some great Parisian cuisine. Chez, Parisian Bistros in Naples. They are open Monday through Saturday. There's the phone number there on your screen, and we have more info for you and a link to their website on ours, which is abc7.com.
If you have an idea for us, let us know. There's Rachel's email address. We love taking these great places, great people, business owners. Man, we love Southwest Florida.